iTag Equipment is the semi-trailer marketplace connecting buyers and sellers since 2012. We strive to create a seamless experience, saving you time and money. We build professional and compelling listings for our sellers that attract buyers nationwide. Get your trailer or equipment listed with us today at no cost to you. We are looking for high-quality, clean title trailers and equipment. We are not looking for any damaged, salvaged, or rebuilt equipment, preferably 10 years or newer. Visit us at itagequipment.com. That's ITAG equipment.com. Selling starts with seeing. Our process starts by focusing on creating a professional and high-quality listing that puts your trailer in the spotlight with compelling visuals, description, and specifications. Additionally, we offer a one-of-a-kind price comparison tool that appraises the value of your equipment to help guide you to a price point where your equipment sells sooner rather than later. We know what